welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro. I am so freaking excited for this. I ordered my MacBook probably like 3 weeks ago and it finally got here on Wednesday, and I've had this in my room for the past 2 days and I cannot open it without doing an unboxing video because I really wanted to show you guys this whole process of me setting it up, because these videos I feel like are so interesting. I never really realized how cool they were until I watched Julia K. Chris' video, so shout out to you, girl. She is absolutely amazing and she's killing the YouTube game. But I am just so excited. I will be giving you guys the rundown of my old MacBook Pro baby. We'll be unboxing this, we'll be customizing it a little bit. And if you guys are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Leilani. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday. I'll probably be switching to mainly Saturdays with like a couple Wednesday videos thrown in during the month. So I've had this huge guy for probably 6-7 years now. I got this my sophomore year of high school, and this is literally the mid 2013 version. So this MacBook is hella old. This laptop has just been through hell and back. It's just super duper old, and I think it is her time to retire. So that is why I purchased a new MacBook Pro. Oh, and that's another thing too that I wanted to point out. I didn't get this MacBook from my parents. I purchased it with my own money. I bought it during the like back to school sale, so it came out a little bit cheaper. I feel like I definitely needed to upgrade from this ancient laptop. Like, it's literally so thick. Like, I cannot wait to compare it to my new laptop. Like, it's insane, and it has like all the ports and everything, which I know that my new laptop does not. But anyways, like I was saying, this is the mid 2013 version, so unfortunately it will have to go bye-bye, but I'm probably going to end up selling it. So thank you for everything you have done for me. Thank you for the hundreds and hundreds of videos I edited on you. It is time to retire. I've been working for too long. Best wishes on your retirement. It's so sad. She was so nice to me. She lasted me several years. Like, I feel like a lot of people always say that, oh, they need to get a new MacBook after like every few years, but that one lasted me a pretty good amount of time. But anyways, I just keep talking, like the suspense is getting real for this. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is such a big moment for me. I can't wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. It is beautiful. I don't even know if my laptop has the touch bar or not, so we will find out together. I honestly don't even know what version I got. Oh, and by the way, like I mentioned before, I got this during the back to school sale that Apple always has every year. It actually came with free AirPods, which I'm pretty sure I talked about in one of my videos. Like, I think the Chloe Ting video, I definitely talked about it then. But yeah, so I got free AirPods, so that's exciting. I never thought I would see the day where I would purchase AirPods. I just didn't really see myself buying $150 earbuds, but whatever. And then I also bought this little guy, which is a USB card reader. But anyways, that's not what you're here for. I need to like set her up so then you can actually see it being opened. The suspense. Oh my god. Let's do a little ASMR, shall we? Wow, guys, look at how thin it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll like do close-ups of the laptop and everything like after I film this whole segment, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like compared to my old 2013 MacBook. It is so small compared to my old laptop. That is insane. Okay, so I've seen this in many MacBook unboxing videos, but everyone always shows the boring stuff. So this is the little outlet plug. It's just like a big square, and then we have the little instruction manual, and then the cable that goes with the charger plug thing. I think we're gonna move over to my desk so that we can set it up, and then you guys can fully see the whole process of me setting up my new MacBook. So let's head over to my desk. Hi guys. So obviously you can't really see me right now, but I'm sure you're here to see the laptop anyway, so let's open her up. Let me zoom in a little bit. Ooh, fancy. Need to take the paper out. Ooh. Nice. Let's get down to business. Okay, so English. Oh, I do have the touch bar. I just realized that now. Okay, so I have to transfer the information from my old MacBook to this one. So it says I need to connect my MacBook to the charger. So that is what I am doing right now. Okay, this is all the boring stuff, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I have my old MacBook right next to my new one. So it is very different. Like, this one is so much bigger than my new one. As I just mentioned before, I'm finishing setting up everything, and then I'm just going to have to like airdrop certain files to myself on this one. So then I'll have everything and I'll be able to start editing videos over on this laptop, which is so exciting. Actually, let's close this one because you guys probably don't want to see that old thing. So let's zoom in a bit. So I'm going to do dark mode. Yay! We're getting closer and closer, guys. Finally. It's complete. I think it should have my pictures from my old MacBook. I'm pretty sure. It says it's updating items. I don't really know what that means. Literally, all of these photos here are hella old. I don't even know how I got them. I am going to go on my old MacBook and transfer any like video files that need to be on this laptop so then I can edit certain videos, because I've been doing a lot of pre-filming. Okay guys, I made my wallpaper and I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute. It totally matches my aesthetic and I'm just freaking obsessed. I use the websites Canva and Unsplash for the photos. I'm going to save it now and then make it my desktop. Set desktop picture. Let's see, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hold up, I need to zoom in for this. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Hold up, this is cute though. What? That is so cute. Hey guys, so it is a few weeks later and I am finally getting around to finishing the rest of this video, but I have the rest of my little MacBook accessories. So I just wanted to show you guys everything before ending off the video. This is what my MacBook laptop case looks like. It is just a solid pink color and I just think it looks so sleek, like with no stickers on it. So I know so many people put stickers on their MacBooks. Like, I personally have stickers all over my like college laptop, but I don't know, I just like how clean it looks without any stickers, so I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna leave it like this. And by the way, I'll have all of the MacBook accessories linked down below for you guys. So this is my pink little case. And then this is my travel case, which is actually pretty heavy duty. Like, it is a super nice laptop case. And I'm pretty sure it was only like $15 or $20, which wasn't bad at all. The inside's just this nice soft material. So the front just has a front zipper pocket, and then in the back it just has this open pocket here, which I have two little gadgets to show you guys. So this is my SD card reader, and then this is my USB port reader. So as you can see, there are no ports for the SD card reader or the USB readers. I got this one off of Amazon. My dad actually got it because my mom got a MacBook last year and she never used this, so my dad was just like, here, I'll give this to you because I got this for your mom, and she didn't use it. So I was like, perfect, I will take it. I mean, I don't really use anything that requires me to like plug a USB into my laptop, but it's fine. At least I have it just in case. And then this is what I really needed in order to actually upload my camera footage or vlog footage. So yeah, so I have the SD card reader. This is from Apple themselves. So I'm pretty sure it was like an extra $15, which wasn't bad at all. And I'll also link down below the little AirPod case that I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. So I am just so happy about my MacBook, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions regarding the MacBook Pro 2020, let me know because I would be happy to answer it. I am in love with the touch bar. Like, now that I've been able to use my laptop for the past like 3 weeks, I can actually give you guys a mini review, but I love the touch bar. It is amazing. And it just makes your life so much easier because it'll just like pop up with little suggestions of what to like do, like what commands to give your laptop. So that is it with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!